Processes used to clean water: decanting, boiling, and adding chemicals. Water can be cleaned or purified by removing any germs or harmful materials to make it safe to drink and use. Here are 3 more processes we can use to clean or purify water. When the substances in the dirty water have settled, we pour the water into another container to separate it. This process is called decanting and must be carefully done to make sure the settled substances are not poured out with the liquid. We can boil water to purify it and make it safe to drink. The extremely high temperature of the water kills the germs, parasites, and other small organisms in the water. Another process we can use to kill germs and other small organisms is to add chemicals. Once all the solid substances have been removed from the water, a purification tablet or a chemical like chlorine is added to the water to make it clean enough to drink. Boiling and adding chemicals are the only processes that kill all of the harmful bacteria and make the water safe to drink. Some of these processes that we have learned about are used by the municipality to clean our water. This makes sure that we have water that is safe for us to drink.
Need more help? Shop our books around the clock and subscribe to our channel to stay ahead.